Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about first class maths. So children, in the previous class already we have started a new chapter, that is the sixth chapter, addition and subtraction up to 100. So children, in the previous class we have learned about additions, adding of a one digit number with the help of making of 10. So children, with the help of the making of 10, we have made that addition very easy. So that already we have learned. Today in our class, we are going to learn the same. So that is the making of 10. So here we can see children, count and draw the lines. So we have to count and we have to draw the lines to make 10. So these are the vertical additions. Here we can see children the vertical additions. So with the help of making of 10, we have to draw the lines and we have to make the addition. So let us see children some more examples. So here we can see the textbook page number 140. So the textbook page number 140, here we can see children. These are the vertical additions. So here what you have to do, you have to count and you have to draw the lines to make 10. So here we can see children, they have given already one example for us how we can do that. So the first one, 7 plus 5, 8 plus 3, 9 plus 7. So here already I have drawn the lines. So in the same way you have to draw the lines. The first is the 7 number. So here we have to draw the 7 lines. Second number is the 5. Here we have to draw the 5 lines. How could we make the 10? So 10 we have to count. So in the same way, in the previous class how we have done with the pictures, the same way we have to do with the lines also. That means that 10 we should form. So we have to make a 10. So here we can see children, here we can form a box like. Okay children, up to here only children, here we should not do. These are already 7. Okay. Now 3 more we want to make it 10. 7. Here is the 5 already. So 8, 9, 10. So that means here we can draw a line like this. Now remaining how many lines are there children here? The 2 are there. So here these are the 10. And here are the 2. So 10 plus 2 children how much? 12. 10 plus 2 it makes 12. So with the help of 10 we can do the answer very easily and very fastly also. So just you have to make a box of a 10. So yes, in the previous class we have done with the pictures. The 10 pictures we have separated. So in the same way we have to separate the 10 lines. And the remaining lines if you count, then we will get an easy answer. So it will get the faster also. So the base, the 10 we are making as a base number. So with the 10 only we can do the addition very fast. So children, here we have done the 10 lines and the remaining are 2 lines here. So 10 plus 2, 12. If you want, you can check it also. 7 plus 5 also is the 12 answer. How? Very easy. So here the small number is 5, 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we got the answer 12. So children, the same way. The remaining also we can do it children. So like this only, the same way you have to draw the lines. By making of 10, to make a 10 we can do it very fast. So we don't need to take the fingers also, just you can draw the lines and with the help of the lines only, the making of 10 you can do it fast. So 8 plus 3 they have given here. So here we have drawn the 8 lines, here we have the 3, so 3 lines. Okay, now we make it a 10. So first of all here we can make a line. So here we can draw another line and here another small line children up to here. So it will be looking like this box. Okay. And here it will come the middle. Okay children. So just keep it aside. So here again we can make it as a 10. So 8 already we have, 9 and 10. So the 2 lines we are taking. So remaining how much is there? Yes, only 1. So here this is the 10 and here we have a 1. So 10 plus 1. 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So here we got the answer very easy. So 3, 8 after 9, 10, 11. Simple answer. So with the help of a 10, making of 10, here we can do it children, the answer. Now here another one we can do, 9 plus 7. So what we have to do? The first number is 9, so you have to draw the 9 lines. So the 9 lines. Second number is 7, then you have to draw the 7 lines. Now let us make a box of a 10. We have to make a 10. So here we can make as a 10 children. So already 9 lines are there. So 9 we have there only. Now from the down we can take only 1. So 10 we want to take lines. So here we can take a 10. So 9 plus 1, 10. So here we have the 10. And remaining how many lines are there children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 plus 6. Here we have the answer 16. So in this way, the remaining also you can do it children. So here a big exercise step here, the full page you have in your textbook. Let us complete this. So children, let us see some more examples. So here we have so many problems. Let me explain you some more examples. So let us explain some more 3 or 4 examples. So then you have a clear idea and you can do it very fast. So hope you understood children. Let us do some more examples. So let us see children some more examples. So here we have 3 more examples. The first number here we have given are 2 plus 9, 5 plus 7, 6 plus 6. So children, in the same way, so we have to make a 10. So first of all we have to keep the box for the 10 lines. The 10 lines first you should take. So children, here we can see the first number 2 we have, so the 2 lines. The second number we have the 9, so we have the 9 lines here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here we have the 2. So how much we have the number? The same lines we can draw. And then we can make it as a 10. So we have to draw the 10 lines. So we can make a box of a 10 lines. So 2. So let us start children here. So here we have a small box because here only we have the small number. So only 2. So now here we can see how many lines we should take. 1, 2 already. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So up to here it will come. So this is the box of a 10. So this is 10. Here we have the 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So in this way we can make also 10 plus 1 also it makes 11. Not only 2 plus 9 is equal to 11, 10 plus 1 it also makes 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. So we have 1 10 and a plus 1 ones. So like in the same way. So 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. So 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. You can make it as a faster. So in the addition we can make as a 10. If you with the help of a 10 also you can do the addition very fast. So this is also another method in addition. So here 5 plus 7. So children, here we have the 5. So 5 lines we have drawn, 7. So here we have the 7 lines. Now let us make it as a 10. So let us make a box of a 10 lines. So here already we have the 5. Now down also we should take the 5 more lines. Okay children? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to here. Okay children? So this is the 10. So here we have 10 plus 2. So 10 plus 2, 12. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 5 plus 7 also 12. 5, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. So here we got the same answer. So 10 plus 2 also 12. 5 plus 7 also 12. So 10 plus 2 also it made as a 12. Now the next one here we can see children 6 plus 6. How much? 6 plus 6. So suddenly we don't remember the 6 plus 6. How much? So let us see now here we have the lines. We can draw the lines like this. 6 already we have the down, the same number we have. So the same lines we can draw. Now we should make it as a 10. Let us make a 10 here. So 6 already are there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So only here also the 6 we have to make only 10. So already here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. up to here 4. Now here also again 10 and again we are remaining lines of 2. 2 lines are there. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 how many ways we can write? 6 plus 6 also 12. 10 plus 2 also it makes 12. And 5 plus 7 also it will make 12. So many ways. So here we can get the answer in many ways. So children, hope you understood all of you how you can make the 10. So we can count and draw the lines to make a 10 and then we can do the calculation fast. So children, the remaining sums you should complete in your textbooks. Nothing to worry, very easy children. So in the same way, so the numbers already they have given there. So what we have to do, first of all, how much number will we get, that many lines you could draw. After that you make a box of 10 lines and the remaining lines you can count, means easily you will get an answer. So 10 plus, already we have made a box of 10. So for this 10, if you are adding 1, it will make, if 1 line is remaining, 10 plus 1 11. If 2 lines are remaining, 10 plus 2 12. If 3 lines are remaining, 10 plus 3 13. So in the same way, if 8 lines are there, 10 plus 8 18. So easily we will get an answer. Okay children? So in this way you can do completing this. So here we have completed this. So this exercise we can complete children. Now let us see the next page here what we have. So children, counting forward to add. Yes, by using the number strips. So already we have this, we have learned already in our previous classes. So adding the by on a number strip, adding on a number strip. Yes, we can add these numbers very easily children by using the number strips. Let us see children, how could we do now? So children, let us see the addition, by adding using the number strips. How could we do the addition? By using a number strip. So already we have learned this addition. Already we have done this by using the number strips in the previous class. Let us see some more children. So in the textbook, the page number 141. So here we have children. So they have given one example for us. Only the 5 they have given the number strips. Only 5 number strips. Already numbers also they have, number strips they have already given there. So just they have given us sums here. So we have to draw that on a number strips. By using the number strips, we have to write down the answer. So very easy children. The 5 only they have given there. So 2 already I have done on the board. The remaining 3 you could do on your own. So you could do on your own children. So very easy. So here we can see children, the first one 4 plus 3. So the first one is 4 plus 3. So here they have given numbers up to 20. So this number strip is having the numbers up to 20. So no need to worry. So happily we can do. So in the previous classes we have done we have used the number strips up to 10. Isn't it children? So only 10 only we have draw them. So no need here. No need to worry. The more numbers also they have given the 20 numbers for us. So happily we can do. So let us see that. 4 plus 3. So the first number is 4. So from where we have to start children? Yes, the 4 we should start. So here the jumping, that means the counting, which will go forward or backwards. Yes, we have to go forward. So the forward we should do. Because this is addition. So in addition, always the jumps go to forward. While as in the subtraction, the jumps come to backwards. Isn't it children? So in addition, we will get the after numbers. If we add, after number will get. While as in the subtraction, before number will get. So when you subtract the -1, so the +1 if you add, after number will get. The -1 you do, before number will get. So that means the jumping will be backwards. That is in subtraction. While as in addition, we have to go forward. The forward jumping we have. So let us do. The first number is 4. So we will begin from 4. So here too. The second number is 3. That means 3 we should not do there. You know that already. So what we have to do children? 3 jumps forward you should go. So here we can see children. 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So here we can write the answer 7. Very simple. So in the easy manner, So that is very, very simple, children. So by using the number strips, here we have addition of a very simple addition. Isn't it? Easily we will get the answer. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the first number is 4. We have started from 4. Second number is 3. So that many jumps you must go forward. So 1, 2, 3. The third jump ended up to 7. So 7 is the answer. So where it will stop, that is the answer. Okay children, let us see one more example. 7 plus 8. That means the first number is 7. So let us start from the 7. So here where we have the 7? Yes, here it is. So begin from a 7. Okay, now the forward jumping. So how many? 8. Because the second number is 8. So we have to go 8 forward jumpings. So let us count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means, so where we have stopped children? 15. So the answer is 15. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So here we can write the answer. 15. So very simple. So 7. First number 7. Begin from the 7. Second number 8. That many jumps you should go forward. 8 is the number, so we should go the 8 jumps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So up to 8 jumps we have gone forward means. So where we have stopped children? So up to 15. So here we got the answer 15. 15 is the answer. So hope you understood children, all of you, how we have done now. So in the same way, the remaining 3 you should do on your own. So here they have given only 5. So I have done the already 2. The remaining 3 you can do it. So very simple. So here we have completed the textbook page number 140 and the 141. So hope you understood children, all of you. Do the exercises properly and very slowly and neatly. Okay children.